made, 11 to 17, battery ignition. The next one right there, that's the third model. The second model I'll ever find, that's fruit jar there, where it started out junker at 5,000. It's the third model, and that twin is a last model, like you see up there. And this one here is a wash machine motor that Associated made for 2 years, and they went and made it to a 4-cycle. Never so bad. The book says every 200 they sold, they got 201 back.
Well, these are all the first Maytag washing machine motors, all gas operated, all the way up through from the very first ones. No one really has very many of the second models, third, fourth, and then the last was the twin cylinder, the ones that we started up front.
Twin cylinder Maytag, the last gas motor they made, and twin cylinder, and no, I have no carburetor. What this is, just the air tube here, it's for just the air, and the fuel comes up through the crankshaft, and down in here is where the governor is in the inside the crankshaft that you can adjust it with.